Hello, I'm Dr. Evelyn Tirado from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. One of the most common questions I hear is, should I choose a zirconia crown or a traditional porcelain-fused-to-metal crown? While both types of crowns can restore a damaged tooth, zirconia crowns offer several important advantages. First, zirconia is extremely strong and durable. It resists chipping and cracking much better than traditional PFM crowns, making it an excellent choice for both front and back teeth. Second, zirconia crowns provide a more natural appearance. Because they don't contain a metal base, there is no dark line near the gums, and light passes through the material more naturally, creating a beautiful, lifelike smile. Another advantage is biocompatibility. Zirconia is metal-free and highly compatible with your body's tissues, making it an excellent option for patients who prefer metal-free restorations. Finally, with today's digital technology, zirconia crowns are made with exceptional precision, providing an accurate fit, improved comfort, and long-lasting performance. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, we carefully evaluate each patient's needs and recommend the material that offers the best combination of strength, aesthetics, and longevity. If you'd like to learn whether a zirconia crown is the right choice for you, we'd be happy to answer your questions and help you restore your smile. We look forward to seeing you in Tijuana.